Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide books in Siri and Search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Books. Next, in here, tap on Siri and Search. And then in here, you can turn on or turn off Learn from this app to allow Siri learn from how you use books to make suggestions across apps. The next section is while searching. So in the search result, you can choose to show or hide the app in Search. You can also choose to show or hide the app's content in Search. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. And lastly is the app suggestions. In here you can choose to show or hide in app, show on home screen, suggest app, and suggestion notifications. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.